If you're a homeowner who does their repairs, there are some power tools that you need. Many of these tools make typical repair jobs easier, which is why we recommend most homeowners have them on hand. Here are the 8 best new woodworking tools and accessories that you must have on our list for today. It is a good idea to refer back to this power tools list often and slowly add these essential items to your set. Hello, and welcome to part 4 of this awesome and interesting series of the best woodworking tools and accessories that you must have on Amazon. The links to all woodworking tools and accessories that we have listed in this video are in the description below. Make sure to watch the video till the end because we have saved the most interesting tools at the end of the video. But before we get started, don't forget to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get notified about the next best woodworking tools, accessories, machines, and more. First on our list, if you work on an outdoor project requiring strong bonds, select a product such as Gorilla Ultimate Wood Glue, which, according to the manufacturer, is rated ANSI and HPVA Type 1 water resistant. Once dry, this wood glue can withstand exposure to water, sun, and extreme temperatures, making it a top choice for outdoor applications. It's incredibly strong and durable, and the glue dries down to a natural color you can sand or paint as needed. When working with Gorilla Ultimate Wood Glue, you have the benefit of an open assembly time of up to 15 minutes, and the glued-up project needs only 20 to 30 minutes of clamp time. You can apply it in temperatures as low as 50 degrees, and it cleans up easily with water. Plus, it can bond materials besides wood, including plastic, metal, ceramic, rubber, leather, and more. The only downside is you have to keep the bottle's nozzle clean during use. Otherwise, it clogs easily. You can get this on Amazon for around $11. Next, this plastic and steel workbench weighs just 25 pounds and can fold flat when it's not being used. You can even tuck it under a bed if you're tight on space. The worktop measures 31 by 25 inches, and it's 32 inches tall. A handy shelf provides a spot to stash tools or supplies. Those who tend to be klutzy will appreciate the slow-folding safety mechanism, which is designed to protect fingers from unexpected pinches. The workbench uses the WORX integrated clamping system, and you can attach other products like a second matching tabletop if you want more room to it as well. There are also built-in channels for 2 integrated quick clamps, as well as slots for 4 included bench dogs, and the tabletop has a 300-pound capacity. It can also double as a Sawhorse, and when set up that way, the maximum load is 1,000 pounds. This versatile workbench has a maximum clamping width of 18 to 1/4 inches. You can have this workbench for around $113 on Amazon. If you are interested to build your own workbench, you can use our free woodworking plans. After completing this video, simply click on the link at the description below and enter your email to receive and download the plans. Next, maybe you need a smaller chainsaw for very occasional light-duty use, and you don't want to worry about staying in range of the nearest outlet. If so, you'll be pleased with the Greenworks 20362, which has a convenient rechargeable 24-volt lithium-ion battery and a 10-inch bar. This Greenworks chainsaw includes tool-free tension adjustment, an automatic chain oiler, and an easy-to-grip ergonomic handle. The battery can last through 35 cuts of relatively thick branches or boards before needing a charge. For most people, that's more than enough power to tackle small jobs. To recharge the battery takes about 45 minutes. While this isn't the best choice for work on big logs or any other heavy-duty tasks, it's surprisingly effective for light duty. It weighs under 8 pounds, making it easier to control if you have limited strength or dexterity. A generous 4-year warranty backs it. You can get this on Amazon for around $130. Next, most scroll saws have a blade that remains in a vertical position and a table that tilts to allow the user to create angled cuts. Not so the EXCALIBUR 16-inch tilting head scroll saw. This scroll saw has a tilting head, which means that you can angle the blade just how you want it for creating angled or intricate cuts. The blade head can be angled up to 30 degrees to the left and 45 degrees to the right. That's a huge plus if you enjoy making intarsia, mosaic-like pictures made from cut pieces of wood or other delicate woodcrafts. Of course, The EXCALIBUR has other great features as well, including variable speeds from 400 to 1,400 strokes per minute. The saw has a 16-inch throat and can cut to a maximum thickness of 2 inches. Changing the pinless blades is a snap, as is adjusting the blade's mounting position. The 1.3 amp motor keeps the saw humming at a steady, smooth pace, allowing you the freedom to focus on your craft, not your tool. Get it now on Amazon for around $570. Do you know what is more important than this product? Clicking on the like button and hitting the bell icon so you don't miss any future videos. Drilling through metal is a different experience than working with woods or plastics. Since metal densities vary, you need a drill press that is highly adaptable for different types of metal. The DEWALT DWE-1622 magnetic drill press specializes in drilling through steel or similar metals with a 2-speed 10-amp motor and 4-inch drill travel. Its magnetic base lets you position the tool on any ferrous material that's at least 1/2 inch thick. The maximum size bit the tool can accept is 2 inches in diameter. The press has overload protection electronics that prevent motor burnout and extend the life of the tool. It includes a coolant tank that you can position as needed while you work. The lower speed setting revs up to 300 revolutions per minute, and the higher setting is up to 450 revolutions per minute, allowing you to easily penetrate even very hard metals. At 35 pounds, the drill press is fairly heavy, but it's a sturdy, powerful tool. You can get this astonishing drill from Amazon for around $840. If you only need lightweight clamps for occasional projects, then you'll appreciate what a bargain you get with the WORKPRO woodworking bar clamp set. There are 6 clamps in the set, 4 6-inch clamps with a 2 to 3/8 inch throat, and 2 12-inch clamps with a 3 to 1/2 inch throat. All of the clamps have steel rails and heavy-duty reinforced nylon handles. Plus, all can convert into a spreader at the press of the red button. The clamps all provide up to 150 pounds of holding pressure. When used as spreaders, the 6-inch clamps extend up to 11 to 9/64 inches, and the 12-inch clamps extend up to 17 to 21/64 inches. All of the clamps have a large anti-skid gripping pad that won't mar the surface of the material being gripped. You can get this impressive bar clamps for about $45 on Amazon. Next, some oscillating tools are designed to handle light or delicate tasks. Not so the Milwaukee M18 Cordless Oscillating Tool 262621 CP. This heavy-duty 18-volt tool delivers fade-free power even in rugged conditions. That means it cuts up to 50% faster and delivers up to twice as many cuts per charge than its competitors. You'll be able to keep on working longer without having to stop for a battery change. Use this cordless multi-tool to cut, grind, sand, or scrape, even at odd angles or in areas where it's difficult to work. With a speed range of 11,000 to 18,000 orbits per minute, this is an ideal tool for tackling larger projects, such as remodeling, flooring, cabinetry, or electrical repairs around your home or workshop. You get a Milwaukee M18 battery and charger with this oscillating tool, along with a handy carrying bag. It also has a built-in work light and a fuel gauge that shows you just how much battery runtime is left. Get it on Amazon for around $140. For our top woodworking tool of today, and a must-have, is no other than the TEKTON double-faced soft mallet. The toughest hammer isn't always the best for some projects. If you are looking for a versatile hammer to use for more delicate projects, the TEKTON double-faced soft mallet will get the job done. The dual soft faces, one side is black rubber and the other is red plastic, are better for hitting surfaces you don't want to damage as you apply a lot of force to each strike. This is perfect for protecting fragile surfaces or completed finishes while you hammer. The tubular steel handle of the hammer is designed to shift the balance of the weight towards the head, increasing the power of each blow. The soft, rubber grip will also keep the hammer comfortably planted in your hands while you swing and strike. A chrome finish helps prevent rust and corrosion. This double-faced soft mallet is available on Amazon for an affordable price of around $11. As a thank you for being a devoted viewer and subscriber, I would like to give you a gift of several woodworking plans. Simply click on the link at the description below and enter your email to receive and download the plans. If you missed any video episodes of our series, click on the playlist videos on the left side of the screen to enjoy watching the rest. If you like our content so far, make sure to like the video and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.